Traders, as you guys have already read the thumbnail and saw the topic, all I'm just gonna say to you guys is happy 2025, and I'm grateful that I will be sharing my first video, my first midweek update for 2026, just to show you guys that we still are showing up and we still are here for you guys. So as you guys have already saw our weekly trading outlook video, and as I'm about to share your midweek, you now can simply get the picture into what I'm about to share to you guys on this very same video. But if you haven't checked out our midweek trading outlook, click this button and check it out so you can understand what we're sharing based on this video. But before we hit the before we hit the video, like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, most of all turn on the notification bell so you can help us grow. And for those part of it, this year we're gonna be simply working on one far most important thing, which is the precision of every trade that we're gonna be executing. We're gonna be waiting precisely and patiently on every setup that we're gonna be executing. So as we start on the NAS, you guys clearly understand that as the market opened, I shared to you guys that when the market is closed, there's either a break above based on this resistance, so we can continue bullish, or a fail to break based on the strength of multiple rejections and reactions above of below of our resistance. So you can clearly see that price did fail to break, right, and push to the downside and came back and tried to hold this very same zone, but still had bear weakness, but it still had bullish weakness but base strength and pushed to the downside. So all I'm gonna share to you guys on nasdaq based on our midweek trading outlook, you can clearly see that price has already gave us a reaction below our zone and price failed to break above this very same zone. So if it happens that price simply breaks below this previous lows, then that's when you can do it. That's when you can simply anticipate continuations pushing to the downside, as you can simply look at what we anticipate. But if it happens that price somehow pushes to the upside, then I guess we might look for those moves to the upside, being above those very same zone. But without further ado, nasdaq, we're just gonna wait and see what this price gonna do within this week, so we can look how we're gonna end the week. But without further ado, second pair, which is gonna be gold. And on gold, I'm gonna just keep it simple and straight to you guys, is that you can clearly see, remember, we had this very same higher high, right, and this higher low, and we left in anticipation that all we're going to be focusing on this very same coming week is for a bullish to be bullish above with a break above this higher high, looking for new highs. We failed to break, anticipating a possible double top, for look for those moves to the downside. So you can clearly see that as price opened the week, we had what bullish strength, and with bullish strength you can clearly tell that price had now continued moving to the upside. So all we now can focus on gold is to really mark out this high, and mark out that low, and mark out that high, and make you guys understand that price had a push, right, and now it's holding some type of range. And in most cases, price gives us a further continuation push to the upside, but sometimes price might do it, look for that move to the downside. So all we're gonna say, or all we're gonna keep it on, is to simply wait and see. If price holds the range as you anticipate, then we're gonna look forward for moves to the upside above. But if price does as it does, then we're gonna simply wait and see how the week might end on gold. What without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD, guys, also in USDCAD, we also had a clean anticipation that price gave us a push of a higher high, which is a break above, and a higher low, which was a retest and a continuation push of this higher high. So you can clearly see that price gave us a push within this week, and as you guys can clearly tell, that price is holding above our very same mode, our very same previous highs, right? So if it happens that price still holds above and gives us a momentum candlestick, then all we're gonna simply wait for is for price to give us a break above this very same high, so we can look for moves to the upside of possible new highs. But if price fails, or just price holds below those certain zones, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do, because USDCAD had in clean anticipation within the week that all we're gonna be focusing on is for bullish setups. If we don't get any bullish setup, then we wait and see what is going to happen. But without further ado, this is what I'm going to share to you guys, and this is what we're going to leave it for now and see what the market might do. All we're gonna simply wait on as precision and patience and perfect setups. Obviously not meaning picture perfect setups, but setups that will align with our trading plans, our trading strategy, our emotions, and our risk management. Do you guys get that? But before we end the video, like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. What that video will do. That's your boy Harlem, PCOT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.